Strawberry mango salsa with baked cinnamon sugar pita bread recipe. Yield, 6 servings. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 10 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Ingredients, salsa. 3/4 cup 125 grams strawberries, chopped. 2/3 110 grams cup mango, chopped. 2 tablespoons 30 grams red onion, diced. 2 to 3 fresh basil leaves, cut into strips. 1 lime, juiced, approximately 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters. 1/2 jalapeno, minced. 1 teaspoon agave syrup, optional. Ingredients, pita bread. 3 small pita rounds gf if desired. 1 tablespoon 15 grams plant-based margarine. 2 teaspoons 10 grams brown sugar or sub-coconut palm sugar. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 400 F 200 C. Line a baking sheet with baking paper or aluminum foil. 2. Spread margarine evenly onto the pita rounds, then cut each pita into 8 equally sized wedges. In a small bowl, stir together the sugar and cinnamon until combined. Sprinkle onto the pita wedges and bake for 7 to 10 minutes, until crisp to your liking. 3. While the pitas bake, prepare the salsa ingredients and add them all to a bowl and mix to combine. 4. Serve salsa with pita chips and enjoy. Notes. 1. Variations, add avocados, or substitute the red onions for chives if you'd like. 2. Speed it up, serve this salsa with tortilla chips instead of baked pita bread. 3. Storage, store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 day. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.